हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल विजन एग्रीकल्चर पर। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टीजीटी एग्ज़ाम 2009 एग्रीकल्चर सॉल्व पेपर की। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हिच इज नॉट बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एग्रोनॉमी? ऑप्शन 1, टू सेलेक्ट एप्रोप्रिएट मटेरियल फॉर सीड एंड सोइंग। 2, मैनेजमेंट ऑफ सॉइल एंड क्लाइमेट। 3, एप्रोप्रिएट इंटरक्रॉपिंग एक्टिविटीज मैनेजमेंट फॉर क्रॉप। 4, livestock management for agriculture. Right answer is option 4, livestock management for agriculture. Question number 2, where and when was World Meteorological Organization established? Option 1, New York 1980. 2, Washington 1978. 3, Geneva 1978. 4, Rome 1976. Right answer is option 3, Geneva 1978. Next, question number 3. Effective cause of atmospheric pressure is not. Option 1, temperature. 2, altitude from the sea level. 3, rotation of earth. 4, soil erosion. Right answer is option 4, soil erosion. Next, question number 4, which is not correct in the following? Option 1, X-rays and gamma rays 9% of energy. 2, visible lighting rays 41% of energy. 3, infrared rays 50% of energy. 4, ultraviolet rays 10% of energy. Right answer is option 1, X-rays and gamma rays 9% of energy. Next, question number 5. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the code given below. इसमें list first and list second. A, paddy required temperature. List first, crop. List second, required temperature for growth. दोस्तों, इसका आंसर सही है ऑप्शन 1, इसलिए पैडी के लिए रिक्वायर्ड टेम्परेचर होगा बेस्ट टेम्परेचर 26 डिग्री सेल्सियस। 26 डिग्री सेल्सियस पैडी के लिए रिक्वायर्ड होगा। व्हीट के लिए 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस, मेज के लिए 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड ग्राउंडनट के लिए 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ C3 प्लांट? ऑप्शन फर्स्ट, सुगर केन, पैडी, बाजरा, मेज। 2, ग्राउंडनट, पोटैटो, व्हीट, सोयाबीन। 3, पोटैटो, पैडी, बाजरा, व्हीट। 4, पैडी, सुगर केन, सोयाबीन, बाजरा। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2, ग्राउंडनट, पोटैटो, व्हीट एंड सोयाबीन। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, C6H12 प्लस O6 प्लस 6O2 equals 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O shows. Option first, photosynthesis. 2, respiration. 3, oxidation. 4, translocation of food material. Right answer is option 2, respiration. Next, question number 8, how does the supply of nitrogen in grain takes place? Option 1, from old leaves. 2, from plant roots. 3, from stem. 4, by photosynthesis. Right answer is option first, from old leaves. Next, question number 9, to reduce the crop beat completion at what stage are the herbicide used? Option 1, at germination. 2, at tillering. 3, at ear emergence. 4, after first irrigation. Right answer is option 4, after first irrigation. Next, question number 10, how much percentage dry weight of crops should be at physiological maturity? Option first, 28%. 2, 20%. 3, 25%. 4, 30%. Right answer is option 2, 20%. Next, question number 11, how many factors are identified for influencing plant growth till now? Option 1, 55%. 2, 60%. 3, 52%. 4, 50%. Right answer is option 3, 52%. Next, question number 12. How does the moisture stress affect the cell? Option 1, affect cell division. 2, affect cell expansion. 3, cell mortality rate is affected. 4, no effect on cell. Right answer is option 2, affect cell expansion. Next, question number 13. At the vegetative growth stage, flowering is stopped in fruit grain crops known as option first sigmoid growth curve, 2 determinate growth, 3 indeterminate growth, 4 grand growth period. Right answer is option second, 2 determinate growth. Next, question number 14. Which one of the following can be assessed by using the following equation? Area equal organic production oblique economic production. Option 1, panicle emergence rate. 2, rate of flowering. 3, harvest index. 4, leaf production rate. Right answer is option 3, harvest index. Next, question number 15. How much radiation energy percentage radiating on plant is used in photosynthesis? Option first 0.5% to 2.1%, 2 0.42% to 1.66%, 3 0.25% to 0.30%, 4 0.16% to 0.24%. Right answer is option 2, 0.42% to 1.6%. Question number 16. Growth of early emerging leaves become faster because of option 1, cell division and cell enlargement. 2, stunt growth of plant. 3, faster photosynthesis. 4, low pressure of outer atmosphere. Right answer is option first, cell division and cell enlargement. Next, question number 17. The ideal temperature for most of the cultivable crops is option 1, 30 to 50 degrees Celsius, 2, 15 to 40 degrees Celsius, 3, 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, 4, 45 to 55 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option 2, 15 to 40 degrees Celsius. Next, question number 18. Match list first with list second and choose the correct answer from the code. List first, given the nutation name, and list second, work, their work. मैग्नीशियम दोस्तों, इसमें राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4. मैग्नीशियम का वर्क है स्पेशल फंक्शन ऑफ क्लोरोफिल फॉर्मेशन एंड फास्फोरस का वर्क है हेल्पिंग इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रिमोर्डिया. पोटेशियम का वर्क है सेल फॉर्मेशन एंड डिवीजन. एंड मैग्नीज का वर्क है टू इन्फ्लुएंस द ऑर्गेनिक एक्शन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड आयरन. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. Which pH range is not suitable to grow the crop? Option first, oats 5 to 7.5 pH. 2, cotton 6 to 7.5 pH. 3, bean 6 to 8 pH. 4, potato 4.5 to 6.5 pH. इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन 3, bean. uh, 6 to 8 pH. Question number 20. What is azofication? Option first, it is also known as composite fixation of nitrogen. 2, it is also known as free fixation of nitrogen. 3, it is also known as nitrogen fixed by rhizobium bacteria. 4, it is also known as nitrogen gained through rains or snow. Right answer is option 3, it is also known as nitrogen fixed by rhizobium bacteria. Next, question number 21. The crop with yarns of sunham is prepared in option first 12 to 15 week. 2 15 to 17 weeks, 3 10 to 12 weeks, 4 8 to 10 weeks. Right answer is option 3 10 to 12 weeks. Question number 22. Which is not an inorganic matter in the following? Option first magnesium, 2 iron, 3 fat, 4 iodine. Right answer is option 3 fat. Next question number 23. Which is the highest digestible protein non-leguminous crop among the following? Option 1 Napier, 2 maize silage, 3 maize, 4 jowar. Right answer is option 2 maize silage. Next question number 24. Which disease occurs when more sorghum is consumed? Option 1 rickets, 2 scurvy, 3 night blindness, 4 pellagra. Right answer is option 4 pellagra. Next question number 25. Which sorghum variety is not multi-cut? Option 1 Pusa cherry 2, 2 MP cherry 2, 3 MP cherry, 4 Pusa cherry 1. Right answer is option 1 Pusa cherry 2. Next question number 26. Which is the hybrid of Pusa giant Napier? Option 1 Napier with jowar, 2 Napier into bajra, 3 Napier into jowar, 4 bajra into jowar. Right answer is option 2 Napier into bajra. Next question number 27. From where is Indian Journal of Agriculture Science published? Option 1 Upkar, 2 ICAR, 3 CISR, 4 NBRI. Right answer is option 2 ICAR. Next question number 28. How much paddy seed is needed for transplanting 1 hectare area by SRI technique? Option 1 30 to 35 kg, 2 1 to 1.5 kg, 3 5 to 6 kg, 4 10 to 12 kg. Right answer is option 3 5 to 6 kg. Next question number 29. Soldier insect harms which crop more? Option 1 urad, 2 arhar, 3 moong, 4 paddy. Right answer is option 4 paddy. Question number 30. In which season is the highest yield of maize obtained? Option 1 Jaid, 2 Kharif, 3 Rabi, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 3 Rabi. Next question number 31. Which is not true in relation to bajra? Option 1 Penicitum typhus, 2 Gramineae family, 3 chromosome number 20, 4 origin Africa. Right answer is option 3 chromosome number 20. Question number 32. Which variety of barley is huskless? Option 1 Pragati, K508, 2 Ritambara, K551, 3 Geetanjali, K1149, 4 Karan 3. Right answer is option 4 Karan 3. Next question number 33. Which is not true in relation to gram? Option 1 subfamily Papilionaceae, 2 chromosome number 24, 3 acid malic and oxalic, 4 origin North America. Right answer is option 4 origin North America. Question number 34. Which does not match in relation to cotton? Option 1 C520 diploid variety, 2 G27 diploid variety, 3 विकास अमेरिकन कॉटन की वैरायटी है, 4 रानी 1 अमेरिकन कॉटन की वैरायटी है. क्वेश्चन नंबर राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4 रानी 1 अमेरिकन कॉटन की वैरायटी है कि नहीं, रानी 1 अमेरिकन कॉटन की वैरायटी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. Which is not matched in relation to sugar cane? Option first seed treatment, egg lal 3%, 2 for seed, 6 to 7 month old crop. 3. Sowing upper portion is more used for after flowering used for sowing. Right answer is option 4. After flowering used for sowing. It is not correct answer. Question number 36. Seed treatment of fish crop is done by Captain or Serisan. 5 gram per kg seed. Option 1 cotton, 2 jute, 3 safflower, 4 mandua. Right answer is option 2 jute. Next question number 37. Varieties of Miss Kavi and Pusa Vishal are which crop? Option 1 cotton, 2 jute, 3 oat, 4 berseem. Right answer is option 4 berseem. Next question number 38. Which is not prepared from potato? Option 1 farina and alcohol, 2 paper, 3 wine, 4 acetic acid. Right answer is option 2 paper. Next question number 39. Potato tuber growth is stopped at what temperature? Option 1 40 to 42 degrees Celsius, 3 2 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, 3 35 to 37 degrees Celsius, 4 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option 2 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. Next question number 40. In which state of India is the area of coffee maximum? Option 1 Kerala, 2 Andhra Pradesh, 3 Karnataka, 4 Tamil Nadu. Right answer is option 3 Karnataka. Next question number 41. Which states are the highest and lowest producer of potato crop? Option 1 Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand, 2 Gujarat and Assam, 3 Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh, 4 Bihar and Kashmir. Right answer is option 1 Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand. Next question number 42. Which elements are useful in energy storage, transfer and bonding? Option 1 ENP nitrogen phosphorus potash, 2 nitrogen sulfur phosphorus, 3 nitrogen potash sulfur, 4 none of these. Right answer is option 2 nitrogen sulfur and phosphorus. Next question number 43. Which of the following elements play an important role in nitrogen metabolism? Option 1 magnesium, 2 manganese, 3 molybdenum, 4 iron. Right answer is option 1 magnesium. Next question number 44. How much brinjal seed may be obtained from 1 hectare area? 150 to 200 kg, 2 100 to 150 kg, 3 200 to 300 kg, 4 75 to 125 kg. Right answer is 100 to 150 kg. Next question number 45. Which species of honeybee is not Indian? Option 1 Apis flora, 2 Apis dorsata, 3 Apis serena, 4 Apis mellifera. Right answer is option 4 Apis mellifera. Next question number 46. How much cloves of garlic is required for 1 hectare? Option 1 400 kg, 2 500 kg, 3 600 kg, 4 300 kg. Right answer is option 2 500 kg. Question number 47. Which variety of papaya gives maximum papain? Option 1 Pusa delicious, 2 Pusa majesty, 3 Pusa giant, 4 Pusa dwarf. Right answer is option 2 Pusa majesty. Next question number 48. At the time of apple fruit setting, what is the minimum temperature required? Option 1 10 degrees Celsius, 2 4 to 5 degrees Celsius to 5.5 degrees Celsius, 3 8 degree to 10 degrees Celsius, 4 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option 2 4.5 to 5.5 degrees Celsius. Question number 49. How many days can the amla be kept in salt solution? Option 1 15 days, 2 30 days, 3 60 days, 4 75 days. Right answer is option 1 15 days. Question number 50. What is the average temperature of cow and buffalo? Option 1 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, 200 degree Fahrenheit, 301.5 degree Fahrenheit, 402 degree Fahrenheit. Right answer is option 3 101.5 degree Fahrenheit. Next, question number 51. Which of the following is the cross of Karan Swiss? Option 1 Sahiwal with brown Swiss, 2 Sahiwal with Holstein, 3 Haryana with brown Swiss, 4 Haryana with Jersey. Right answer is option 1 Sahiwal with brown Swiss. Next, question number 52. For how many years is sheep able to breed? Option 1 10 year, 2 7 year, 3 5 year, 4 12 year. Right answer is option 2 7 year. Next, question number 53. How much area is required for a goat? Option 1 0.9 to 1 square meter, to 1 to 1.5 square meter, 3 0.75 to 0.9 square meter, 4 1.5 to 1.75 square meter. Right answer is option 1 0.9 to 1 square meter. Next, question number 54. Goal of extension education is option 1 to promote income of the farmer, 2 to promote production of the crop, 3 to promote new crops, 4 to promote scientific outlook. Right answer is option 4 to promote scientific outlook. Next, question number 55. The major fungi that affect food grains in storage are option 1 mucor, 2 rhizopus, 3 candida, 4 aspergillus. Right answer is option 4 aspergillus. Next, question number 56. Pheromone trap attracts option 1 male moth, B female moth, 3 caterpillar, 4 female bug. Right answer is option 1 male moth. Question number 57. Success of rural projects depends upon option 1 agriculture extension, 2 management, 3 soil science, 4 regular training of staff. Right answer is option 4 regular training of staff. Next, question number 58. At which height from soil level are the synoptic meteorological observation done? Option 1 2 meter, 2 1.25 meter, 3 2.25 meter, 4 1 meter to 2 meter. Right answer is option 2 1.25 meter. Next, question number 59. Which one is not correctly matched? Option 1 one side is gases and their weight in percentage. Option 1 nitrogen weight in percentage 75.5270. Option 2 oxygen 23.1340. Argon 1.2820. 3 carbon dioxide 4 carbon dioxide 0.0456 percentage. Right answer is option 1 nitrogen 7.5.5270. There are right 7-8 percentage in environment. Next, question number 60. Evaporation is measured by which instrument? Option 1 barometer, 2 lysimeter, 3 lysimeter, 4 hygrometer. Right answer is option 2 lysimeter. दोस्तों ऑप्शन 3 भी lysimeter है और 2 भी lysimeter है, दोनों सही हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. The monsoon airs in the country reaches at which bank first of all? Option 1 coastal region of Orissa, 2 Bay of Bengal region, 2 coastal region of Kerala of South Indian region, 4 Kutch region of Gujarat. Right answer is option 3 coastal region of Kerala of South Indian region. Next question number 62. ADP to ATP change is called. Option 1 photosynthesis, 2 phosphorylation, 3 transpiration, 4 oxidation. Right answer is option 2 phosphorylation. Next question number 63. What is the order of C4 plants? Option 1 sugarcane, maize, Sudan grass, bajra. 2 sugarcane, cotton, paddy, maize. 3 Sudan grass, sugarcane, paddy, bajra. 4 cotton, maize, bajra and sugarcane. Right answer is option 1 sugarcane, maize, Sudan grass, bajra is the C4 plant. Question number 64. At what stage are more nutrients essentially required in cereal crops? Option 1 growth stage of plants, 2 formation of leaves, 3 panicle initiation, 4 maturity of leaves, maturity of crops. Right answer is option 3 panicle initiation. Next question number 65. At which stage of crop there is no competition for light, moisture and nutrients? Option 1 node formation stage, 2 seedling stage, 3 grain formation stage, 4 before maturity stage. Right answer is option 2 seedling stage. Next question number 66. What is computed by the following equation? CGR crop growth rate equal W2 minus W1 upon T2 minus T1. Option 1 relative growth rate, 2 crop growth rate, 3 analysis of development, 4 leaf area index. Right answer is option 2 crop growth rate. Next question number 67. At what temperature does the wilt disease virulent grow faster? Option 1 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degree Celsius, 2 35 degree to 40 degree Celsius, 3 24 degree to 28 degree Celsius, 4 22 to 26 degree Celsius. Right answer is option 3 24 to 28 degree Celsius. Next question number 68. Opening and closing of stomata depends on option 1 sunlight, 2 water pressure, 3 transpiration, 4 temperature. Right answer is option 1 sunlight. Question number 69. Which of the following is not a variety of seeds? Option 1 hybrid seed, 2 composite seed, 3 breeder seed, 4 mutant seed. Right answer is option 3 breeder seed. Next question number 70. Which of the following is not a method of knowing seed life? Option 1 respiration test, 2 embryo culture test method, 3 seed dormancy method, 4 indigo carmine method. Right answer is option 3 seed dormancy method. Question number 71. The leaching loss of nitrogen is more in the form of option 1 ammonia, 2 nitrate, 3 nitrogen, 4 water solution. Right answer is option 2 nitrate. Next question number 72. Which is not a natural factor affecting soil fertility? Option 1 topography, 2 soil age, 4 parent material, 3 air. Right answer is option 3 air. Next question number 73. Approximately how much area in lakh hectare of saline and alkaline soil are there in Uttar Pradesh? Option 1 15 lakh hectares, 2 12.4 lakh hectares, 3 10.4 lakh hectares, 4 14.4 lakh hectares. Right answer is option 2 12.4 lakh hectares. Next question number 74. How much percentage of soluble salt are present in alkali soil? Option 1 to 2%. Option 2 0.1 to 0.2%, 3 1.5 to 2.5%. 4 2 to 3%. Right answer is option 2 0.1 to 0.2%. Next, question number 75. How much is the craft area in Uttar Pradesh? Option 1 9%, 2 11%, 3 12%, 4 8%. Right answer is option 3 12%. Next, question number 76. Which herbicide residue for longest period in the soil? Option 1 chlorpropham, 2 linuran, 3 propachlor, 4 simazine. Right answer is option 4 simazine. Next, question number 77. In how many days is the sun hemp fiber rotten in normal condition? Option 1 10 to 12 days, 2 8 to 10 days, 3 6 to 8 days, 4 5 to 6 days. Right answer is option 3 6 to 8 days. Next, question number 78. Which is not an organic matter in following? Option 1 crude protein, 2 carbohydrate, 3 vitamins, 4 hormones. Right answer is option 3 vitamins. Next, question number 79. How much biomass in quintal per hectare is obtained from green manure of the sun hemp and dhaicha crops? Option 1 300 to 325 quintals, 2 225 to 275 quintals, 3 200 to 2 to 5 quintals, 4 325 to 350 quintals. Right answer is option 3 200 to 225 quintals. Next, question number 80. Which is the highest digestible protein fodder in the following? Option 1 lucerne, 2 cowpea, 3 cluster bean, 4 berseem. Right answer is option 4 berseem. Next, question number 81. Approximately how much HCN does is harmful for animal feeding? Option 1 0.25 gram, 2 0.50 gram, 3 2.50 gram, 4 3.50 gram. Right answer is option 2 0.50 gram. Next, question number 82. Due to which region is the Napier grass mixed with clustered wheat and cowpea for feeding? Option 1 due to high crude fiber, 2 due to oxalic acid, 3 due to more carbohydrates, 4 due to more HCN. Right answer is option 4 due to more HCN. Due to oxalic acid. Right answer is due to oxalic acid. Next, question number 83. Which is the perennial variety of elephant grass? Option Pusa giant, 2 NB21, 3 Napier 1, 4 Pusa giant Napier. Right answer is option 2 NB21. Next, question number 84. More than how much percentage of loss of area should not be during silage fermentation? Option 1 20 to 22%, 2 15 to 18%, 3 10 to 12%, 4 8 to 10%. Right answer is option 3 10 to 12%. Next, question number 85. From where is Krishak Bharati magazine published? Option 1 Govind Vallabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology Pantnagar, 2 Chandrasekhar Azad University of Agriculture and Technology Kanpur, 3 Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology Faizabad, 4 Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel University Agriculture and Technology Meerut. Right answer is option 1 Govind Vallabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology Pantnagar. Next, question number 86. Where is the headquarter of Food and Agriculture Organization? Option 1 Rome, 2 Washington, 3 New York, 4 Venezuela. Right answer is option 1, Rome. Next question number 87. Which paddy variety is not suitable for upland situation? Option 1 Narendra Dhan 1, 2 Renu, 3 Sarju Bawan, 4 Narendra Dhan 1 18. Right answer is option 3 Sarju Bawan. Next question number 88. Which variety is not susceptible to insects and disease? Option 1 Pant Dhan 10, 2 Gobind, 3 Narendra Dhan 2, 4 Saket 4. Right answer is option 2 Gobind. Next question number 89. How much nursery area is required for transplanting a 1 hectare of paddy crop? Option 1 1000 meter square, 2 750 meter square, 3 500 meter square, 4 250 to 400 meter square. Right answer is option 3 500 meter square. Next question number 90. How many days old paddy seedling is used for SRI technology? Option 1 8 to 10 days, 2 12 to 15 days, 3 25 to 30 days, 4 30 to 35 days. Right answer is option 1 8 to 10 days. Next question number 91. How much minimum temperature is essential for wheat germination and optimum temperature for crop growth in degree Celsius? Option 1 3.5 to 5.5 degrees Celsius and 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Option 2 5.6 to 7.5 degrees Celsius and 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. 3 Option 3 8 to 10 degrees Celsius and 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Option 4 10 to 12 degrees Celsius and 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option 1 3.5 to 5.5 degrees Celsius and 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Question number 92. In case of availability of two irrigation of for wheat, at which critical stage crops should be irrigated? Option 1 tillering and flowering, 2 crown root and milking stage, 3 crown root and flowering, 4 late jointing and duff stage. Right answer is option 3 crown root and flowering stage. Next question number 93. Which is not the symptom of Khera disease? Option 1 dark grey color, spots on leaves, 2 adverse effect on root growth, 3 more diseases stop the crop growth, 4 stem of plant turn and fall down. Right answer is option 2 adverse effect on root growth. Next question number 94. What is the suitable Rabi maize variety? Option 1 Sarad Mani, 2 Azad Uttam, 3 Naveen, 4 Ganga 5. Right answer is option 1 Sarad Mani. Question number 95. Which disease is not related to bajra? Option 1 green ear, 2 argot, 3 wilt, 4 rust. Right answer is option 3 wilt. Next question number 96. Which is not a variety of vegetable pea? Option 1 Arkel, 2 Azad, P2, 3 Azad, P3, 4 Aparna. Right answer is option 4 Aparna. Next question number 97. Which is not true in case of lentil? Option 1 chromosome 14, 2 IPL high yielding variety, 3 seed rate 35 to 40 kg, 4 quantity of protein in lentil seed 18%. Right answer is option 4 quantity of protein in lentil seed 18%. Next question number 98. Which variety of barley is not for malt purpose? Option 1 Pragat K508, 2 Geetanjali, 3 Ritambhara, 4 DL88. Right answer is option 2 Geetanjali. Next question number 99. Which is not a fodder variety of cowpea? Option 1 Russian Giant, 2 K585, 3 Sirsa 10, 4 Azad 1. Right answer is option 4 Azad 1. Next question number 100. Which variety of groundnut is grown in summer? Option 1 Avatar, 2 Chitra, 3 Chandra, 4 Amber. Right answer is option 3 Chandra. Next question number 101. Which of the following is not merged? Option 1 Varuna, irrigated of unirrigated condition, 2 Vardhan, unirrigated condition, 3 Narendra 85 saline soil, 4 K88 black grain. Right answer is option 4 K88 black grain. Next question number 102. Which is not merged correctly? Option 1 Blight, Mancozeb 75 WP, 2 White Blaster 0.2% spray of Redomil, 3 Downy Mildew Geneb, 4 Ismat Indosulfan. Right answer is option 4 Ismat Indosulfan. Indosulfan is insecticide. Next question number 103. How much kg of sugarcane seed is required for sowing 1 hectare? Option 1 7,000 to 7,500 kg, 2 5,500 to 6,000 kg, 3 8,000 to 8,500 kg, 4 5,200 to 5,500 kg. Right answer is option 1 7,000 to 7,500 kg. Next question number 104. Which is a variety of oat? Option 1 K12, 2 Naveen, 3 LD 491, 4 Kent. Right answer is option 4 Kent. Next question number 105. How much seed per hectare is needed for Barsim? Option 1 18 to 22 kg, 2 25 to 30 kg, 3 30 to 35 kg, 4 15 to 20 kg. Right answer is option 2 25 to 30 kg. Next question number 106. What optimum temperature needed for the growth of potato tuber? Option 1 70 degree to 90 degree Celsius, 2 14 degree to 16 degree Celsius, 3 10 degree to 12 degree Celsius, 4 22 degree to 25 degree Celsius. Right answer is option 1 17 degree to 19 degree Celsius. Next question number 107. Which crop is affected by tobacco caterpillar? Option 1 jute, 2 sugarcane, 3 lucerne, 4 sugar beet. Right answer is option 3 lucerne. Next question number 108. Which country is the second highest producer of fruit and vegetables in the world? Option 1 Brazil, 2 North America, 3 China, 4 India. Right answer is the option 4 India. Question number 109. Which fruit crop has the largest area in India? Option 1 banana, 2 citrus, 3 mango, 4 guava. Right answer is option 3 mango. Next question number 110. What is the place of India in the world in tea production? Option 1 first, 2 second, 3 third, 4 fourth. Right answer is option third. But nowadays India in the production of tea number first. Next question number 111. What is the average annual production of European variety of honeybee colony? Option 1 14 kg, 2 16 kg, 3 10 kg, 4 8 kg. Right answer is option 2 16 kg. Next, question number 112. How much tomatoes are required for 1 kg tomato seed? Option 1 250 to 300 kg, 2 300 to 350 kg, 3 160 to 210 kg, 4 200 to 250 kg. Right answer is option 3 160 to 210 kg. Next, question number 113. Enarching method is used for culture of which fruits? Option 1 mango and guava, 2 mango and grapes, 3 guava and lychee, 4 falsa and guava. Right answer is option 1 mango and guava. Next, question number 114. Generally during summer and kharif seasons, annual plants produce bloom in how many days? Option 1 60 to 70 days, 2 70 to 80 days, 3 70 to 75 days, 4 50 to 60 days. Right answer is option 1 60 to 70 days. Next, question number 115. Makdoom is a variety of which crop? Option 1 cashew nut, 2 date palm, 3 walnut, 4 coconut. Right answer is option 3 walnut. Next, question number 116. Which is not a hybrid variety? Option 1 Mallika, 2 Ratna, 3 Arka Puneet, 4 Dasahari. Right answer is option 4 Dasahari. Next, question number 117. How much percentage of income comes from animals out of India's total income? Option 1 20%, 2 25%, 3 15%, 4 10%. Right answer is option 4 10%. Next, question number 118. In how many years does a bull get ready for insemination? Option 1 2 to 2.5 years. Option 2 3 to 3.5 years. Option 3 1.5 to 2 years. 4 none of these. Right answer is option 2 3 to 3.5 years. Next, question number 119. As standard, how much is the weight in gram of an egg? Option 1 70 gram, 2 58 gram, 3 68 gram, 4 48 gram. Right answer is option 2 58 gram. Next, question number 120. Which material should be higher in the ration of the pregnant cow? Option 1 fat, 2 protein, 3 carbohydrate, 4 dry matter. Right answer is option 3 carbohydrate. Next, question number 121. Which is the goat breed reared in the city? Option 1 beetle, 2 surti, 3 marwadi, 4 barbary. Right answer is option 4 barbary. Next, question number 122. A hen starts egg laying after how many weeks? Option 1 15 weeks, 2 20 weeks, 3 18 weeks, 4 16 weeks. Right answer is option 2 20 weeks. Next, question number 123. How much is the fat percentage in the milk of Badauri buffalo? Option 1 15 to 18%, 2 8 to 13%, 3 13 to 16%, 4 6 to 10%. Right answer is option 2 8 to 13%. Next, question number 124. Television broadcast for rural development programs in India started in option 1 1947, 2 1957, 3 1967, 4 1977. Right answer is option 3 1967. Next, question number 125. Which of the following points refers to the economic level of output? Option 1, MR more than MC. 2, MR more than MC. uh, Option 3, EMR equal to AC. 4, MR equal MC. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4, MR इक्वल MC। थैंक यू दोस्तों। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक एवं सब्सक्राइब जरूर।